Hi, Deirdre here. I'm going to show you how to do the menu popularity sheet. In here we have items on a menu, and then in column B we have the cost, how much it costs us to make those items, and then column C is how much we're selling them for. So we're going to get the profit, which will be the sales minus the cost. So equals to start C4 minus B4 and press enter. And then we'll drag that down. So we sold 68 of them, and we sold, they cost us 50 cents each. So 68 multiplied by the 50 cents, 68 multiplied by the 50 cents, this is cost we're doing at the start. And then total sales will be equals, it's the 68 multiplied by the 550. And then our total profit will be our unit profit multiplied by the quantity sold. Okay, so we have all of these items out here. Now I might need to move this picture out of the way for a second. So we have our total profit out here, and then we'll select the three of them along, and I'll click and drag down. Next thing I need to do is to get the averages. So again, we can click in here. If we want to, we could choose average in there. Okay, that's probably a handy way to do it. Click on correct and then drag it across, and we now have the averages. So down here we need to find the maximum now, and then we're going to find the minimum. We're going to have to do each of these cells individually. There's no fast way of clicking and dragging and do them all together. So we'll click in here and we'll hunt for max and press enter, and there's maximum and OK. So this here is maximum of quantity sold, so we click and drag down. Now make sure you don't include the average, so don't include that 73 down the bottom, just down as far as E14. That's perfect, and OK. And then the minimum, we go in again in here, hunt for min. I can see it listed there now, and OK. And the minimum of the quantity sold, again not including the average down the end, and OK. And then we'll do exactly the same here for the total sales. Maximum, it's been used recently, so it'll be listed down here. So total sales and OK. And then click and drag, again not including the average. And then minimum. And total sales. And OK. Unit profit. Max. Unit profit. And OK. And the minimum then of unit profit. And then total profit. And then get the minimum, and then clicking and dragging, but not including the average down the bottom. And then we format it. So let me just, for example, put on my wrap text in here. We're going to write a line, and then maybe I'll double click on the lines to make them all fit in. Unit profit. And then menu popularity is going to be centered across the center there, and then we increase the font. Oh, I missed it. And then we actually want to change the background in here. So we'd like to get some stripy background. So we're going to click in here, and we're going to go to fill, and we're going to go to pattern style, and then for example choose this, and maybe put some color on it. Okay. And then choose a pattern color if we wanted. And then we could choose other options, and OK. And then we'll put on some, and we'll also select this here. Hold down Control and select the other area there. Do all borders and thick outside border. And maybe put on some shading in here. Hold down Control and select that. Holding down Control as I select the other areas, and then put on some plain blue or shading in it.